Hey, Nevi. This is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for clicking on this video. I spoke with Sharon yesterday, and she said I should send it over to you. And what we're briefly going to talk about is 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And one of the main things that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So if I'm making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners will do the work for themselves and some will call me back and ask for help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. So I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, we'll look at your website. It's very pleasing to the eye. It's a well-looking website. You got pictures, you got videos, maps. You got all kinds of ways for people to get a hold of you, and that's great. Unfortunately, Google does not rank you based on how good your site looks. They actually rank you based mostly on content, and content are all the words and pictures and everything you see here on the front page. And what you're going to want to have is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, because the average Google front page has 1,900 words of content. You guys are sitting a little below 700 right now, okay? And so what that does is, if someone has more words than you, then Google sees them as more authoritative on the subject of plumbing than you do because they have more words. Furthermore, the more words you have, the more keywords that you can incorporate into your website, and therefore the people who are searching for those words can find your website a lot easier. Okay, so after content, you're going to want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based off of how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get relevant websites linking to you. So these are going to be sites that have more power, like other plumbing companies, rather than like Pizza Hut, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So what we can do here, we can go into this little tool I have called Ahrefs. It helps me look into the backside of websites, and this is where you guys are sitting right now. All right. So 43 referring domains. Some people have none, so you guys are working, going the right direction with 150 backlinks. Okay, but only 17 of those referring domains are powerful, okay, are really working for you, okay? And you're hitting for 123 organic keywords, but let's look at those keywords and see what they are. And so the highest you're sitting is 4th position, and that's for stop plumbing. I don't know how many people, doesn't look like a lot, are searching for stop plumbing. The things that people are searching for: Plumbers Chesapeake, you're in 19th position. Plumber Chesapeake, you're in 27th position. These are second and third page rankings that we can easily get you higher up on by incorporating those keywords into your website more often. Okay, so what you're going to want to have is, instead of the 43 that you have here, you're going to want to have around 100. Okay, and then we're going to want to incorporate more of those keywords that people are searching for, so we can get you a little bit more value than this right here. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about is when people search for a plumber in Chesapeake or Chesapeake plumber, they're looking to buy. Okay, so they're going to call the first plumber that looks trustworthy. So you want to be that plumber, because those are the easiest customers to close. All right, what you see right here, ads, and people skip these ads for different reasons. Some have ad blockers, they don't even see them. A lot of people don't even trust them, or they had a bad experience in the past with ads. So right here is what we call Google My Business or Google My Pack, and this is where you want to be. This is where people do business. This is where people choose who their plumber is going to be when they go searching. All right, so it's very easy. We can go in and look at these three and see where they're cited. And so citations are key here. It's your name, address, and phone number in different directories on the web, and you're going to want to have like 300 directories that you're cited in to rank up with these guys right here. Okay, so that's not too, it doesn't cost much or anything at all, mostly, and we just find out what 300 that these guys are using and use the same. It's called the copycat method, and it's easy. And then you can get yourself on this map pack where people are looking to do business. All right, so that's all I've got for you. I hope it was informative. As a quick recap, you can get your website up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, including those keywords that people are searching for. Then you're going to get at least 100 of those backlinks. The more that are powerful, working for you, the better. And then you're going to want to get citations, at least 300, so that you can rank on the map pack. Okay. So, if you want to do this all yourself, please do. It's free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. I just ask that you send me some feedback, 1 or 2 lines, so that I can do better and help more people. Okay. If you want to help doing all this, give me a call. My phone number is 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.